Smart people join cults every day, doctors, lawyers, even scientists. So the real question isn't, why would they? It's, could you? Today we're breaking down the dark psychology of cults, why people join, why they stay, and how you can protect yourself. A cult is a group built around absolute devotion to a leader or an idea. Unlike healthy communities or faiths, cults weaponize psychology to gain control. They don't just ask for belief, they demand obedience, secrets, and your identity. History is full of warnings. In Jonestown, more than 900 people died after Jim Jones ordered a mass suicide, the ultimate display of control. Heaven's Gate showed how isolation and prophecy can lead people to abandon everything for a promised exit. Groups like Scientology popularized auditing. Intense confession sessions presented as spiritual progress. And today, digital movements can take on cult-like devotion online, using algorithms as the new pulpit. Cults don't use one trick, they stack many. When a leader claims to be a prophet, a savior, or a genius, that's not divine inspiration. It's authority bias. We're wired to obey figures of power even without proof. When everyone around you agrees, it feels easier to follow than to question. That's social proof, the same principle that sells best-selling books and viral trends, but weaponized to silence doubt. It usually starts small, a harmless ritual, a free seminar, a small donation. That's the foot-in-the-door effect. Psychologists showed that once you say yes to something minor, you're far more likely to agree to bigger demands later. The longer you stay, the harder it is to leave. That's cognitive dissonance. We'd rather justify our sacrifices than admit we were wrong, so people double down instead of walking away. Isolation makes it worse. Cutting off friends, family, or outside information is classic information control. It starves you of reality checks until the cult becomes your only source of truth. And here's the darkest tactic: confessional exploitation. Personality tests, background checks, confession rituals. They look like self-discovery, but they're really a form of coercive leverage. Once you reveal secrets, two things happen. You feel more bonded to the group through vulnerability, and you fear leaving because those secrets can be used against you. It's trust turned into a trap. Quick question: is social media just the new cult leader, yes or no? Drop your answer in the comments, because we want to see where you stand. The way out of cult psychology isn't brute force, it's awareness. When a leader demands obedience because of their title, ask, what evidence exists outside this bubble? That question breaks the spell. If everyone believes, check the source. If all voices are inside the group, that's not truth. It's an echo chamber. Step outside and the illusion collapses. When you're pushed to just try one small thing, pause. That's the hook. If you dodge the first ask, you avoid the net. If you've already invested time or money, remember, past effort doesn't justify future sacrifice. Don't dig deeper to prove you were right. If a group cuts you off from family or outside info, that's not community. It's control. Keep anchors outside to protect your perspective. And never hand over secrets, photos, or collateral for any reason. That isn't growth, it's a chain. Cults don't begin with chains. They begin with smiles, promises, and belonging. But underneath, the psychology is always the same: authority, conformity, and control. This was Deceive and Believe. If you want more dark psychology exposed, hit like, subscribe, and stay sharp, because manipulation never sleeps.